Whenever I buy herbs for garnish, I'm left with so much extras because I literally just need a few leaves. So today, I'm going to take all my wilted basil and cilantro to make pesto sauce. I love how you can sub out pretty much everything in a pesto recipe. So I'm using a ton of parsley, some basil, and instead of pine nuts, I'm using pepita seeds that I got from Costco since they're already roasted and salted. I literally threw everything into my Vitamix blender and ended up with pesto sauce that I could use to spread on toast, add in butternut squash soup, or for pasta and another meal. So if you're ever stuck with just a bunch of wilted herbs, I highly recommend just blending it all up and making it into pesto sauce.